Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing?
So I want to give a shout out to GOSTGO. Said Manny at a RevMax bypass for the transmission. It will drop the temperature. I was like, oh my gosh!
Today we're doing a quick video for you guys. Uh, this is gonna be a very nice mod that I'm gonna try out. You get this mod. So this puppy right here goes somewhere right here near the transmission. It's very easy. You can see it. I'll show you. But what it does is that the stock part has a thermostat that prevents the cool fluid from getting cool. So pretty much your fluid get hot fast. All right. How fast? Well, if you're towing, you will notice, the difference. Like me, I have more than a ton I'm carrying my truck, so I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna record before temperatures and after temperature to see if it works. All right. This is a RevMax transmission fluid cooler part for 6.7 2013 to, I think the new ones probably have it too. So mine has 100,000 miles already, but I haven't towing much. But if you're towing and carry weight like me, I'll probably change it, because the thermostat, that just keeps your fluid hotter. So, and sometimes it doesn't work, so you're gonna end up have to change it for either stock one from the dealer or one of these. It was $100, pretty pricey I think for what it does, but it is what it is. But without further ado, let's get it.
Alright, I'm gonna go for a ride to record the temperature before installing it. So let's go, people. Alright, guys, so I've been driving for 45 minutes, almost an hour. I'm in Arizona right now. It's 99 degrees, and my transmission is always around 170, 172. Alright, so this is before installing the part. 170, 172.
Alright guys, so you might want to get a pan to catch the oil that is going to come out from the lines. And I have the part right here that we're going to install, the RevMax, using a 1316 range. I think what they call for is a 20 millimeter, but 1316 is pretty close to 20 millimeters. That's what I had to go get one at Lowe's. As you can see, it's brand new. I usually get a reference is by the tire right here, the passenger right tire. This is where the part we're gonna change. So you move these plastics up, or like covers that they have, and then you take these clips out of the way. I removed one already. I'm gonna show you. You use this big tool that I bought in a yard sale a long time ago. Good thing I remember I had one. I always had to buy one, but you just take those pins out like so. All right, you take them out. All right, sometimes they want to fight. There you go, pops out. And after that, you just, as you can see here, they're like just pins that go in there. All right, easy peasy lemon squeezy. After that, we're gonna grab the wrench and get these right here, these nuts, get them loose, lefty loosey. All right, and we should be able to take this piece out. All right, it's gonna get messy a little bit. Make sure you have some rags, but yeah, just left it loose and pop it out. Position your oil pan right there. Catch the oil. Make sure everything's good and let it go. All right, and then get this one too. Let's get it out of here, guys. All right. So pretty messy, guys. Like I said, but Captain Manny doesn't mind getting his hands dirty. So, alright, dirty hands keep money clean. So this is the stock part from Chrysler. They wanted to give you a better gas mileage by putting this part that will have a valve that keep the oil coming up hot, so you can your temperature of the oil will get hot faster. But sometimes that thing doesn't work, so it just keep getting hot and hot and will get fucked up. I could let it drain for a while, but like, let's get it done. I don't mind getting dirty. All right, so we're gonna put those lines back, put the clips back, everything out back. This is all the oil that I catch, so it got dirty, so I'm not gonna be able to put it back, so I'm gonna have to get some more of the AutoZone. But this is all your tools you need for this to change this part. All right, you need if you have a 20 millimeter, or if you don't have one trying to get a 20 millimeter. You might be asking, well, you went to buy one, what? I went and I couldn't find a 20 millimeter. They went out. But they also need this big tool right here, or something that you can use to pull those pins out. All right, and yeah, 13/16, it worked pretty good also. All right, so now we're gonna take it for a ride, make sure everything's good, so let's go. Alright guys, so this is me starting the truck with the new part installed already. I never seen this before. 84, 109 degrees outside, guys. That's right. So to start, it's pretty good. We're gonna take it for a spin, like I mentioned. Now we're driving it for like 45 minutes. Went on the freeway, and right now it's like 138. The temperature went down a little bit, 90, but it's still pretty warm outside here in Arizona. But I never seen these temperatures drop on the transmission that low, so I think it works, guys. Just like I mentioned, I wonder how it's gonna do in the cold weather. So if you guys have one installed and you guys been using it in the cold weather, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, stay safe, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.